Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the netwsw00.sys blue screen issue that you're having on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. With the error message, your PC ran into a problem that it couldn't handle and now it needs to restart. Then with the error code netwsw00.sys found. When netwsw00.sys crashes, a blue screen of death appears, resulting in the loss of all work and forcing the device to restart. The netwsw00.sys is a driver for the Intel wireless Wi-Fi link adapter, which controls all the wireless connections on the device. This error occurs mostly due to corrupted network drivers. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update network driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.msc, that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang i-update yung ating Wi-Fi driver. So i-select mo lang dito. So select and right click. And then i-select mo lang dito or i-tap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then i-select mo lang dito yung search automatically, so itap mo lang yan and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reinstall the network driver. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager and then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong device manager, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So i-select mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan lang i-select dito yung ating wireless or Wi-Fi driver. So select and right click. And then i-select mo lang dito yung uninstall. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. So after dito, and then the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset the network configurations. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung network reset. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And automatic na madadirect tayo dito sa network reset. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So ang next step, dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung network reset. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset now and then network reset and itap mo lang dito yung yes. Right, so after dito and dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix netwsw00.sys BSOD error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.